everybody, and welcome to 2018. Yay, we made it! And we're gonna start the year looking at my forehead. Yes. No, just kidding. I actually decided to start the year by sharing with you guys one of my tips for when my scalp is very itchy and gets out of control. So I wanted to share with you what I usually do when my dandruff gets really, yeah, scratch that girl, scratch it. When my dandruff gets out of control and I can't stand it anymore, you actually just gonna need three simple ingredients. We're gonna need some clay, some neem oil, and some water. Make sure that the clay and the neem oil are organic. It's gonna work better. At least you know it's pure. Yeah, this small bottle was like $8 plus tax. Yeah, but you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. It's quite simple. All you have to do is mix one of clay for one of oil. So I put two tablespoons of clay and 2 tablespoons of neem oil, and then added two, no, four tablespoons of water. So it's 1 for 1 for 2. If that makes sense, I just write it down so you understand better. So you want to make sure that everything is well mixed before we move to the next step. So I start by wetting my hair, and then I'm gonna apply the mixture on my scalp, not on my hair but on my scalp. This is a treatment for your scalp. It's gonna help with the itchiness, with the dry scalp, because it's antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory as well. So yeah, just focus on your scalp. I would do this treatment once to 2 times a year, depending on if I really need it. The rest of the time, I would just use the oil. Maybe I would just use the neem oil and mix it with coconut oil, for example, and do like a hot oil treatment instead. You guys can leave a comment if you want to see how I do that. So now you just want to massage your scalp to make sure that the product is distributed evenly everywhere, and just rub the product inside. You can let it sit for a little bit, but it's not really necessary. And now you want to dry everything. So make sure that your scalp is dry to make sure that your detox is actually happening. And yes, I know my face is full of crap, but this is what I do for you guys because I love you like that. And this neem oil smells like ugh. Now you want to shampoo your hair. This is the shampoo I'm using, as always, Girano shampoo. And now you can see my scalp is fresh and dandruff free. At this point, I'm gonna use the conditioner on my hair and detangle my hair at the same time. So you just want to make sure that you're adding some water as you go, and actually take your time as you detangle. By the way, my hair tangles way more now that I bleached my hair, which is normal, but it only means that I have to be more careful, because despite the color, my hair is still growing and it's still healthy-ish. And I'm gonna use some oil to seal my hair. Using castor oil, but you guys can use pretty much any oil that you have at home. And I'm not gonna completely blow dry my hair because I'm about to do my single braids. Thumbs up the video if you would like to see how I achieve that. And yeah, you're pretty much done at this point. Thank you so much for watching the video. I want to wish you a happy new year. Happy 2018, guys. We made it. We're just gonna go stronger and faster. Not faster, just better with God's help. And thank you so much for watching once again. And we'll see you on my next video. Until then, stay blessed.